You definitely have to take the industry serious. You have to take the work serious. The systems that we work on and repair save lives. There's no way around that. SKFS is a full-service fire protection company built for technicians by technicians. We've got customers of all sizes.
There were moments that I wasn't 100% sure how the company would scale originally, because everything had to be driven by a person. It doesn't matter how great you are, there's a finite amount of time and you can only accomplish so much.
Before Ember, there was chaos. Everything was everywhere all the time.
The cost tracking was a nightmare. There was no streamlined process. It was so tedious to try to figure out. There was a lot of touch point that could fail or fall through the cracks.
Ember actually reached out to us. The fact that it was purely fire protection centric, you could tell the difference right away.
The only visibility that we had before Ember was time cards, and I would have to manually track what hours were put on jobs. With Ember, it just made it a lot simpler and easier for service manager to be able to track jobs.
Ember works on a report-driven basis. And the reason that to me is relevant is because the fire protection industry is a report-driven industry. The reports are the whole linchpin of the way that Ember functions, and to me, they couldn't do it better.
The implementation of the jobs feature, it changes the whole outlook of the software. I don't want 52 appointments that have to be brought in, closed out, redirected, scheduled, whereas you can have that job, each one assigned underneath of it, and then managed from a single point.
We use Ember for our full till service. We run all of our inspections out of Ember. We run all of our service calls out of Ember. We actually utilize it for installations as well. It's the whole linchpin to our day-to-day operations. Ember probably increased our capacity by 25 times. I can't stress enough, like Ember has been really pivotal to our growth. And as they continue to improve, we just get to improve with them.